Hi, welcome to the video on feature importance. By the end of this video, you will be able to explain feature importance. While we were implementing the linear models, we discussed about the coefficient of the linear models, which tells us how important each and every feature is for the prediction of the target variable. In decision trees, we do not have any fixed parameters and therefore there is no convention of extracting the coefficients that indicates the feature importance. If you recall, we had feature coefficients when we were discussing the linear models earlier in this training. Feature importance is analogous to that corresponding to decision tree. However, a decision tree can still give us the relative order of coefficients based on how useful the features were for splitting the nodes of the tree. Let's have a quick look at how we can do that using sklearn. For this, we will train the model one last time over the training set. Now to generate the importance of every feature, we will use the function model.featureImportances. Note that we are directly storing the results into a pandas series and indexing with the corresponding independent features and finally sorting them. Now, we will simply plot a horizontal bar plot to visualize feature importance as per the model. Note that understanding the math behind the calculation of feature importance is very complex. But if you are interested in understanding that, you can find the link in the helper text below. Note that this is not the final decision tree model and the inferences from the final model will differ. With this, we have come to the end of this module on decision trees. In this module, we have covered decision trees in detail and learned how non-parametric algorithms are able to capture any kind of pattern in the data. We also learned in depth about how the nodes are split in decision trees for both the regression and classification problem. As we worked our way through the implementation of the decision tree, we discovered and learned how to handle the issue of overfitting in decision trees by optimizing the hyperparameters. In the next module, we will be looking at the ensemble techniques in machine learning. Before that, you have this module's test to attempt.